Today I just received my brand new 7-inch Daymaker Reflector LED. I believe this is the Signature series. Okay. That's the style. So we're going to unbox it. This is brand new, just picked it up. Now it's listed for $4.99 as you can see there, but most dealers are discounting these because oh, check this out. Looks like they give us a connector, some kind of adapter from here. What's the type of adapter it is? Instructions, some hardware, and looks like some rubber grommets. The actual LED headlights. Wow, nice. That's pretty nice. There you go, it's the Signature Reflective LED. Looks brand new. There's the connector. Okay, so it looks like one of the first things we're going to have to do is remove the headlight ring that's around here, and that's held on by this Phillips screws down here. As you can see. And twist it straight. So you twist it sideways and then it comes off. Because of it latches behind here. Remove the headlight assembly. I think we're going to have to remove this ring. We're going to go ahead and do that. Get out of the way here. There's Phillips up here. As you're doing work on the headlight, you probably want to make sure you put in a towel like I did here. This towel to help it protect from anything that's falling onto your front fender. I don't want to ruin that. So now we remove the headlight. Let me get on the other side here. Headlight comes right off. You can see there's multiple connectors here. Here's what it looks like. There's a connector here. A connector here we have to remove. Alright, so I'm going to be removing these two connectors off the headlight assembly. Just squeeze these two sides. It looks like it should come right off, okay? Alright, there. These lights actually come off too, if you wanted to replace them. So, looks like we're going to need an adapter for these. It's been a couple of weeks. Turns out in order to install the headlights, right here, this is the stock headlight. The stock headlight has these connectors, individual connectors, and you need to buy an adapter to make this work with the LED lights, which the connector looks like that. Right? From 2 to install these Signature Reflective style, you need a single connector. This is the part number. You need to order this box. It just came in. It's been 2 weeks to order this. So here it is. So one plugs to the new LED light, right? Like so. And then you plug these into your lights instead. Okay, don't forget to install these rubber or foam sticky. It comes with the headlight kit here, here, and here. Plug this thing back in before we completely assemble it. Let's check, make sure that the lights actually work the way we expect it to. Okay. So this is how it would sit. Push it on. Ring lamps on. Turn it on high beam. This only fits a certain way, so if it's not aligned correctly, it will not fit forward. Put this back in. I never use power tools to tighten things. Maybe just to bring in the screws, but not to tighten it. Okay. LV flash. Good. Make sure you have that rubber seal here. It's in place. Out and twist it on. There. The screw by hand. Just snug because